Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Open the pixel app, select the shape button, adjust the shape, crop the shape, select the crop option, select another shape, adjust the shape, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, save the shape, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, select the orange color, whenever button down, copy the shape, select the copy option, crop the shape, select the crop option, then select the shape button, adjust the shape, change the color to the color option, adjust the color, crop the shape to the crop option, copy the shape to the copy option, save the shapes to the save button, adjust the save confirmation, change the color to the color option, enable button down, adjust the color, select the 3D shape, enable button down, the path 10, select the expression, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.